for Zia is, of course, good health. Um, Sana she will grow up to be God-fearing and humble and kind to everyone. I wish her to have everything that life has to offer, be it good or bad. Kasi both naman, good and bad, makes us a better person.
That's right.
So, happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Pretend again and again we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high.
Ang wish ko, good health lang talaga. Hope na makakain na ng solid food. Actually, hindi pa siya makakain eh. Yan lang. And sana mabait and God-fearing pagtanda. Yan lang.
And until the end, don't keep me. Love you, Zia. We'll stick together. We love you, Zia. You by my side, we won't say goodbye. Happy birthday, Zia. Stick together. I can pick